Today, I'm part of the Fox 13 Dream Team powered by Mountain America Credit Union. Now, the Dream Team helps those in our community who give of themselves selflessly, and we also help fulfill a dream. Today, we're at Kearns High School, where an amazing educator is being honored for all she does for her students, and we're also here to add a Dream Team surprise.
Maybe the best compliment you can ever give a teacher is, if you had a special needs student, you want her as the teacher.
So even if you know the answer, you can't push the button until I say what? Go.
She is such a good teacher and she's so nice to everyone. I'm so proud of her.
Rhombus red, yeah. Okay, good job. So this is from Team Awesome.
Because she's so kind to everybody and she's very inclusive.
Those powerful words describe the work of Natalie Nelson, but seeing her in action validates those heartfelt sentiments.
Hand on the table. What do I say? Go. Go. But we're not going to do it so hard that it hurts, right?
Mrs. Nelson works with students with severe disabilities.
I went into it wanting to be a part of making a positive difference in somebody's life, kind of helping people who maybe are a little overlooked.
She helps them feel included in the school community while teaching them skills they'll use long after high school.
She's preparing them for the rest of their life in ways that we can't even measure.
While Mrs. Nelson was with her students at a unified sporting event, Principal Danny Sterland and the crew from the Granite School District set up a surprise in the school's theater to honor her with the district's 2026 Excel Award.
All these people have gone into this work to prepare this recognition because of how significant this really is.
Well, Ms. Nelson, the surprise is really only just beginning. So I'm John with Fox 13. This is Charlene with Mountain America Credit Union. We're part of the Fox 13 Dream Team. You were nominated by your students, your family, your school. They told us all about what you did for your class, for your community, and that's why we're here today.
On behalf of Mountain America, thank you for making such a difference for the special needs families. And Mountain America gets to be part of the presents we give you. I'm going to start with the huge bin because inside are 2 induction burners. It's a school supply kit in that bin right over there. So lots of school supplies. This is your pampering gift basket because you deserve to be pampered. Oh no, he wants it. No. Inside are lots of gift cards. You get to take your family to dinner, to movies. There's a bath, blanket, and $1,000 for you to do whatever you want with. Thank you very much.
What did it mean to you to see everybody here today?
It means a lot. It's really overwhelming. I just love my job so much, and to have a big group like that here for me, it was very unexpected. Unexpected,
but well-deserved.
Well, I think there's a lot of assumptions about what they can and can't do, and so, you know, they're a lot of times kind of the underdogs, where I feel like that they do have a lot of abilities and capabilities that people just assume that they aren't able to do things on their own, but they actually can.
Just talking with Mrs. Nelson, it became clear to me just how much she genuinely cares for her students. She has impacted the lives of hundreds who have spent time in her classroom. Her efforts bringing a little light of hope to her community.
I went into this field wanting to make a difference for other people, but really it's, you know, made a difference for me. I just care about this population so much. They're really special, and they make the world better.
I love these surprises. What a wonderful story, and exactly what the Dream Team is all about.
And if you want to nominate somebody for the Dream Team, just go to fox13now.com/dreamteam.